Making time for what matters. Understanding, make time for them. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the fascinating world of English language learning. Today, we're exploring a very special phrase, make time for them. It's a phrase that's not only useful in everyday conversation but also rich in meaning and cultural significance. So, let's get started and unpack what this phrase really means and how you can use it in your daily interactions. Make time for them is a phrase that, at its core, is about prioritization and care. To make time means to create availability in your schedule for someone or something that is important to you. The word, them, can refer to people, such as friends, family members, or colleagues. So, when we say, make time for them, we're talking about intentionally setting aside moments in our busy lives to focus on and engage with these individuals. Why is it important to make time for them? This question touches on the value of relationships and connectivity in our lives. Making time for others is a fundamental way to show that we value and care for them. It strengthens relationships, builds trust, and creates meaningful experiences. In a world where time is often seen as a scarce resource, choosing to spend it on someone else is a powerful testament to their importance in our lives. Making time for others might sound simple, but it can be challenging in our fast-paced world. Here are a few tips on how to do it effectively. Plan ahead. Look at your schedule and find gaps where you can dedicate time to others. Set priorities. Decide what's truly important to you and be willing to rearrange your activities to accommodate those priorities. Be present. When you make time for someone, give them your full attention. Being physically there isn't enough. Being mentally and emotionally present is what truly counts. Communicate. Let the other person know you're making time for them. This communication can make the time spent together even more valuable. In conclusion, make time for them is more than just a phrase. It's a reminder of the importance of valuing and nurturing the relationships in our lives. By making time for others, we not only enrich our connections but also enhance our own lives through shared experiences and mutual support. We hope this video has inspired you to look at your own schedule and find ways to make time for those who matter most to you. Remember, it's not about having time, it's about making time. Thank you for watching, and see you in our next video.